How to make iPhone screen slide down. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs. Here, scroll down to find and tap on Touch. This menu contains settings related to how you interact with your iPhone screen. On the Touch Settings page, locate the Reachability option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature on. When enabled, you can swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen. This brings the top of the screen down, making it easier to reach with one hand. Following these steps, you can easily make the iPhone screen slide down. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.